Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2001 Mazda 323, stock number 6353. This ran from the 9th 1998 to the 12th 2003. It has an FS 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the FS 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 16-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left rear tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right rear door 5 dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front factory 16-inch mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,